Mangalore, Kochi, Trivandrum. So this will be a connectivity between north to south, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. It will be an access control road, and the distance between Delhi to Chennai will be reduced by 320 kilometers. And by this road, it is a true sense, it will be the connectivity of this country between Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So this is to be a state-of-art project, and I am really giving thanks to our engineers, contractors. Even it is very difficult to work here. Every time the regular 4-month temperature is -8 degree, and 4 months also they have to, in the winter season, -26 degree. So in a very, very crucial period, they are working here, and now the 38% of the work is completed. We are trying that with the permission of the Prime Minister and the state government and the LG. Part of the project we will try.